click. That's low volume. Here.
Look. What's that?
Coda. Yeah, look.
Oh, look.
If you keep scratching him here, he goes to sleep. Hey!
Oh,
He snores!
Marshall, you snore.
Now, if you open his mouth, push his mouth down. No, push it.
On this
Here,
part?
yeah. Now put it in there.
What are you doing? Yeah.
He burped. Yay!
What other one was there? There's the two side tabs.
And his tail.
What does he fart?
No, there's a sensor on his tail.
I think. The forehead one? Yeah, something like that.
Does he like butt scratches, like mud?
You have to see where the sensors are.